Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today I'm going to do a very interesting video. So guys, you can see on my screen that it's a Brookhaven game in the Roblox. So guys, I had finally purchased Robux. That is the Robux cash in the Roblox. So let me show you guys. You can see here it's my avatar, and also here also this is my avatar in the Roblox games. So today, as I am now a premium guy in the Brookhaven as well as in the Roblox, so today we are going to ride on the helicopter ride, that is the premium option. So let's start. So guys, my avatar is changed now that I changed in the Brookhaven RP. Okay guys, so this game is literally very interesting guys. So let's start with this. So the helicopter ride is basically in the police station. So we are at the police station now. So let's go upside for the ride. I will show you some more things of the premium one. So guys, I'm on the top and you can see this helicopter. You can see the star on this helicopter. So this is known as the premium. So now I will click on this. So now I have the helicopter. So let's ride on it. Okay. So I sit in the helicopter. Now I'm getting this option to ride and fly. So the helicopter has taken off. My god, it's so good. Now I have to just increase the speed. Okay, so let's go some of the top. Let's go to the speed as 80. Okay, so dumb down. Okay guys, so it's so exciting moment as it's a helicopter ride is the premium option for the Roblox players. So those who have purchased the cash, they can only ride on this helicopter and many other things that I will show you in the next part also of Brookhaven RP. So in this part I'm going to show you the vehicles and the helicopter ride. So we are riding in this helicopter. It's so exciting and fantastic moment. We can up it up and we can strings with it. Okay, so let's crash with this helicopter, then let's see what happens. So I will directly go down, not here, not here, not here, not here. Wait. Okay, we can go to the grocery store and there. Okay, so let's crash it. Okay, so it's directly crashing. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So it was getting from the tunnel. Oh my god. Okay. So guys, let's crash it once again in this house. In this house, let's crash. Crash. Okay, let us jump from the spacebar now. Okay, so guys, it's so small. Let me get you closer. Okay guys, so I don't know where I am. Don't know where I have crashed, but it's a little from the Brookhaven stables. Maybe yeah, we can stay from the stables. Okay guys, so now we have done the helicopter ride. So now I will show you the vehicles in the of the premium one. So the first vehicle of this premium one is this. Wow, it's literally very nice. Okay, so we can enter the speed also. Let me give it the full speed, that is 35. That's the max speed. So guys, let's go. Oh my god, it's running so goodly, so good, and it's so fast. It's literally very fast. So there are some homes that the people have gone. Okay, so I'm near the hospital, and that was the police station where we had gone from the helicopter ride. So this is the swimming pool and the TV station, the airport there, and the restaurant, and also the hotels. So in the next video guys, I will bring up the new houses that are in the premium. Okay, so let's try another vehicle now. So let's cross it. Let's try another vehicle. Okay guys, so let's try another vehicle. Okay, so someone is standing. So guys, let's try this red car. So where it has spawned now. Let's sit. Okay, what is this happening? What is this happening? Okay, someone known as Elizabeth was there. Okay guys, so this is not much good because it's not handling and it's very glitching. And its speed is also very much low. So this is not a good car for me. The last one that I tried was much better. So let's try something other. Okay guys, so now let's keep this car. Okay, we have to first remove this car. Okay, we can keep this car. This is looking nice. Okay, I sit now. This car isn't moving. Wow. Okay, I am maybe seated in, yeah, now it's moving. I seated in the, not the driving seat. This is the sitting seat. Yeah, this car is much better. It's moving very nicely, very smoothly also. Very smooth car. This is literally very nice car. I liked it. Okay, and its speed is also much nice. Okay guys, so okay, oh someone just came across me. Okay, now guys, let's try something else car. Okay, first we can move outside. Yeah, okay, we can move downwards. Okay, we can move here maybe. Oh wow. Okay, now let's try some different car. We can try this bike. Okay, this is a literally very small bike. No, I'm small. Okay, okay, I'm just falling down. Okay, okay, okay guys, this bike is much better than the car too. It's moving very nicely, very smoothly, and its speed is better than the both of the cars that we tried before. But till now the best I liked was the white one, the moving one. That was literally very nice. Okay, so this bike is, and you can see at the here where mouse I'm pointing, it's my name also. Wow, this is literally a good experience. Okay, so we are at the beach now. Nice. Okay, let's move to some different car that we have. Okay, we have one more car that's type of a black one, and it's literally, okay, literally much big. It's literally very big, extremely big car, like this of a president's car. It's looking just like that. Speed is very low of the cars, but still it's a good car. It's moving smoothly. Okay, okay, so let's move to another car. So now we have two more cars, maybe no, three more cars to try. So first one we can try, this is of type of a police car. Wow, yeah, this has so much speed and it's moving smoothly. It's moving smoothly. It's good. This car is good. So for police, so maybe the speed is more cost to catch the thieves maybe. So let's this is a good car. This is a good car. Okay, now let's try the stylish bike type. It's type of a racing bike. it's looking like a racing bike. It's looking like a racing bike. And some flag type is also there. This is not moving so smoothly, but it's good. It's a type of a stylish bike and it's good. Can we move on this milling pool? Oh wow. No, we can't move. Okay. So I'm stuck. I'm stuck there. Okay guys. Now let's try one more. It will not spawn here, so we have to go to the other side of the road. Okay. Let's try maybe the last car. Yeah. It's the last car of the premiums. This is the best car, guys. The speed is also good. It's moving smoothly too. It's a good car. Okay guys, so a horse was riding with someone sitting on it. Okay, so all cars we have tried. So my favorite till now was the first one that we tried. This one. This was literally very good, very nice. Very nice. Not a car, but type of skates or something. So guys, now you also comment down below which car or like this or the bike you like the most, except the helicopter one. Which car or the bike you like the most, comment down below. And in the next part I would be getting new houses that are in premium, to show you the new houses that are in the premium, guys. So guys, please like my videos and subscribe my channel. So guys, let's meet in the second part. Bye bye.